Daniel B. Harris is married and he has one kid. He is filing jointly. Both parties bring in an income. Daniel's total tax income is $65,200 and $500 was taken out. And that's shown right here and then right there. Since Daniel has one kid, he gets $3,200, which is shown right there. Hold on. Then Daniel did a side job and he made $1,300 from it, which is right there. And then we added lines 1A to 1H, and we got our $7,200, which is our taxable. So then we'll be taxed the $1,150, and the tax exempt interest is $150. And you don't get taxed on $150. Our IRA distribution is $3,200, and that's good. We want them to take it.
Okay, so on 7, you got your capital gain or loss. You attach that to Schedule D if required, which this equals out to $300. Go down to 8, that's your additional income from Schedule 1, line 10, which equals out to 0. You got 9, which is add lines 1Z, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7, and 8. This is your total income, which equals out to $74,550. Go down to 10, you got your adjustments to income from Schedule 1, line 26, which is $5,250. Going down to 11, you subtract line 10 from 9. This is your adjusted gross income, which is $69,300. Go down to 12, you got your standard deductions or itemized deductions, which over here, if you're married filing jointly, which we are, is $27,700, which is what we got over here on 12. Go down to 13, it's your qualifying business income deductions from form blah blah blah, which is $5,500. 14 is add lines 12 and 13, which equals out to $3,320. 15 is subtract line 14 from 11. If 0 or less, enter -0. That is your total taxable income, which is $36,100. Then you take your $36,100 times that by 12% over here, and then we're married filing jointly, and that's how we end up there.
And after we times that number by 12%, that gives us $43.32. And then this right here, amount from Schedule 2, line 3, is a job that we have worked to make some extra money that didn't come from our main job. And in this situation, I put 100. Maybe I got it from helping somebody out, whatever the case may be. I have $100 extra laying around. And then add lines 16 and 17, that gives us $44.32. And this $1,600 right here comes from us only having one child. You get $1,600 per child. And 20 is amount from Schedule 3, line 8. That's some more extra money we had lying around, just making sure we file our taxes right so the IRS doesn't come after us. And then 21, add lines 19 and 20, and that's $20.56. 22 is subtract line 21 from line 18, and that is $23.76. And then 23, other taxes including self-employment. This is the same thing again. We had $100 left over of extra cash. Add lines 22 and 23. This is your total tax. $24.76 is our total tax.
This is right here, how much we're being taxed right here. $2,300. 25B is the
Made up number.
It's a 600. 25C 700. 26 is our 2000 is our tax payments and the amount applied for 2022. It's right here, 2,400. This is the earned income, 27, it's 100. And this is our tax credit for 28, 1,600, and 29 our credit is tax form credit, and 31 is the amount from the beginning from line 3 and 15, and we add all these lines right here, and we get this from our total payments, and we put 5,000 in our savings.